643 divided by 6 using partial quotient. Set up your equation with your 6 on the outside, your 643 on the inside, and your multiplication facts if you need them. Make sure you also know your steps of divide, multiply, subtract, repeat, and check. So let's start dividing in our biggest place value. This would be the hundreds place. So we have a 6 in the hundreds place. If we have 6 babies and 6 people, everyone would only get 1 baby, but that 1 is really worth 100, so they'd get 100 babies. Now we have divided, so now let's multiply. 100 times 6 is 600. When we subtract, we are left over with 43. Now we're ready to repeat back to division. When we repeat, we're going to now be in the tens place. So now we have 4 babies and 6 people. Are there enough babies for everyone? No, so everyone would get 0. 0 times 6 is 0. When we subtract, we still have 43. So now let's repeat, but now we're in the ones place with our leftover tens. So now we're going to look at the whole number 43. I know the closest I can get to 43 is 42. I skip counted 7 times to get there. 7 times 6 is 42. When I subtract, I'm left over with 1. Do I have any place values left to repeat with? No. So let's check. Is 1 smaller than 6? It is. That means that our 1 is our remainder. Our answer comes from a 1 in the hundreds place, a 0 in the tens place, and a 7 in the ones place, giving us 107 with a remainder of 1.